ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Silverrudder 2024. I've certainly looked forward to seeing you. I don't recall that we ever ran out of chairs before, and I'm not sure if this is a record number of participants. There are 359 boats that have arrived in the harbour. You know, a lot of people have had to cancel. One guy wrote today saying he'd broken his mast, another guy crashed, another guy had a father who was terminally ill. Now, what we must consider to be reasonable reasons or excuses for not being here, but congratulations for getting here. The weather's been fantastic and it's going to continue to be fantastic. We've got a great event lined up for you. So thanks for coming here.